Hello friends. In the duration of the PhD program, students must pass at least 7 lessons, a proficiency test, and complete their thesis proposal and thesis submission stages. The duration of completing lessons for the PhD program is at most 4 semesters and 8 for the completion of the program. In addition, it is necessary to have completed a graduate program in order to apply to a PhD program. Please watch our other videos for more detailed information on Türki scholarship programs. We wish you all a good day.